Welcome to the Android News Bulletin, and we are Monday, August the 20th, 2018. And today, in our Android News Bulletin, we have the messaging app. What the hell did happen to it? So last week, we talked about Google rolling out the new message app for Android with new material design and a dark theme, but for a weird reason, it was removed. And even if you have the new app, it's actually reverted back to the old app. So of course, people are wondering what did happen exactly and when will it actually come back. Google China ambitions are creating a lot of tensions within the company. It seems that the employees at Google are more and more frustrated, and it's almost creating an internal war at the fact that Google needs to censor itself in China, and that Google shouldn't be doing that, as it is not that type of company. So of course, there's a lot that's going to happen with that. It's going to be interesting to follow this through the next weeks. Two reports came out today. One about, both are about who is the #1 vendor of smart speakers. And of course, one of them says the Google smart speakers are #1 in sales. The other one says, no, it's Amazon. So who to believe, we're not really sure. But one thing for sure, and both do agree, is that the sale of smart speakers from Google is increasing at a very fast pace. Well, many users are kind of sad and wonder why it was removed. The Google Drive manual backup is gone from Android 9 Pie. A lot of people were actually using this because they rather have a manual backup than do it automatically. And of course, a lot of people are questioning why is it removed and will it ever come back? Well, Google has responded to the location history problem of tracking your location even when you turned off the location history in Android. Google says, okay, here's the thing. You have two ways to actually remove location history. One is in Android, but it doesn't remove that possibility to every app. And there's within your Google account. This is where you need to do it if you want to stop tracking altogether. And by doing it in your account, it also stops the tracking on every device you own that is actually using that same Gmail account. Yes, some people are still playing Pokemon Go, and as it seems, the latest update is actually looking at your phone when you have an Android phone to see if it's rooted. It seems that many gamers were pretty much banned because they looked at the rooted devices and said, oh, you're rooted, you must be cheating. Problem is, it's not because you rooted your device that you were necessarily cheating on Pokemon Go, but Pokemon, Niantic is saying, well, we can't take the chances because rooting is what people do to actually cheat on Pokemon Go games. And finally, the Microsoft launcher in Android has been updated. Now has a much cleaner interface. It supports more interaction with Cortana, including the ability of Cortana to actually read text on the screen. Of course, the Microsoft launcher is available in the Google Play Store, and I highly recommend it. This was the Tech News Update for Android, Monday, August the 20th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.